Well, yeah, we had a huge blizzard last night, and I'm just starting to try and dig us out of the front door. This is our path, and that's the main road. Not much happening. There's a few snowplows out. The whole mall is closed. Not much to say really, except more snow on the way. It's been more like a blizzard, so it's in drifts. And there's an awful lot more digging to do. So we had about almost a foot. So I'll try and send this over to you. I know you love seeing our snow days. The poor people on a plane from London, who knows when they left Heathrow. Or if they'll even get here. Actually, here comes a car, as you can see. Idiots are still out on the road. And actually, there is a bus just coming around the corner. So, well, you may get it straightened out, but I'm going to go off and dig and enjoy your day.